What's up everyone, it's Caddy with MoneyVest, and I've got a big announcement to make, probably one of the biggest announcements I've ever made on this MoneyVest channel. And we've been working on this project tirelessly over the last 6 to 8 months. A lot of time and a lot of effort has gone into developing this entire platform. And the announcement is that we are now officially live with our beta launch for the MoneyVest platform. I could not be more happy because, like I said, a lot of time and energy and resources and work has gone into creating this entire platform from scratch, from design to development to all the infrastructure to all the marketing and the legal work that's been put into this. It's been an absolutely incredible journey. It's not been an easy one, but it sure has been very, very incredible because I've learned a lot of things. I've experienced a lot of things. I've experienced a lot of challenges, a lot of headaches, and a lot of delays, but we finally got to the beta launch, which is happening today. So as of this video, if you're watching this, you can now sign up for the MoneyVest platform where you can access over 17,500 stocks at the moment. Eventually, we're going to be adding more and look back as far as 20 years of historical data, as well as over 100 financial metrics and MoneyVest metrics, of course, our M score, which is our dedicated numerical value for each stock on how I see the company in terms of how good or bad it is. You can access that as well. And also look at the future forecasted revenue and EPS expectations from analysts, and also analysts' price targets, the high, the low, the average price target, as well as using our own financial models to calculate the intrinsic value and, of course, the price target for individual stocks. So all of that is going to be available now, and we'd love for you to join and check it out. Link's going to be down below. There's limited spots left for the beta test only. So right now we've got a 51% discount, and these are all the great benefits that you can get. And if you come to any stock, so this right here is the platform itself. You can sign up yourself. If you come to any stocks company overview, you're going to have the homepage, of course, the M score, the key statistics going back as far as, again, 5 years, 3 years, 10 years for diluted earnings per share, revenue, free cash flows, shares outstanding. You've got the margins, the valuation, the financial health, the efficiency, everything laid out on the platform. And then, of course, you got the MoneyVest metrics, which you can, again, start plotting on the chart. You can visualize a lot of the data on the platform. That was one of my biggest challenges, is that if I want to visualize a lot of the data that's already out there for companies, I would have to first export all the data into spreadsheets and then, of course, plug in those numbers into a bar graph or a line chart. And our platform lets you do that. And again, this is only the tip of the iceberg. We've got so many ideas. And in my opinion, right now, this platform is only 10% of what it eventually is going to be. This is quite literally just touching 10% of what we're potentially going to build, because there's so much data out there. There's so much stuff that we can do with the data out there. And I want to build more models, more things that are going to be useful for all of you. So if you come over to fundamental analysis, again, you can go back as far as 20 years. Again, this right here is going to be the 20 years historical data for total revenue, gross profit, operating income, net income for Eli Lilly is the company that we're looking at right now in this example. You can also switch to a line chart if you want to. So again, you can visualize the data however you want. You can also look at quarterly data. So you can come over to quarterly numbers. Let's go back to 16 quarters. And again, this is going to be 16 quarters worth of data. Again, you can switch back over to bar graphs, and boom, there you go. You've got 12 quarters or 16 quarters worth of revenue, gross profit, operating income, and net income. You can also come over here, look at the cash flows, so come all the way down. You can also plot for free cash flows over here. And then you can also look at some balance sheet items, analyst estimates, like I said, their forecasted EPS and revenue expectations for the next 5 to as much as 10 years out. And then, of course, using our calculators to figure out what is the true intrinsic value based on your analysis. So if you believe that whatever company you're analyzing deserves a certain amount of growth rate, different P multiple, share buyback, margin of safety, if you want to build a margin of safety or a discount rate or a different discount rate, you want to forecast for different time frames, all of that is going to be available for you to do on this platform. And like I said, eventually you can see there's a lot of negative space up top and on the left and over here as well, because that's where new features and new updates are going to be coming out with our macro dashboard for fundamental and technical positioning on the S&P 500, interest rates, inflation numbers, earnings calendars, economic calendars, the bond market, the yield curves, a lot of other calculators to figure out the market risk-reward ratios, including our MoneyVest index, and of course, the dark mode, the light mode, and of course, a lot of other features such as portfolio tracking, the risk of your portfolio, and everything else is going to live on this platform long term. So super excited to launch the beta for MoneyVest platform. You can sign up at moneyvest.com or also check out the links down below if you want to join, of course, be a part of our community and of course get early access to this entire platform. And we are now officially live with our very own platform. So hope you all enjoy. Looking forward to a lot of feedback. And the cool thing is they can also come over here to help. So on the very bottom, on the bottom left, you can click on help and it's going to either take you to Discord to raise a ticket or you can email us at contact@moneyvest.com. Both ways are available for everyone. If you want to raise a support ticket, report bugs, suggest features, suggest ideas, whatever it is, we are here to help. My team and I are going to be dedicated over the next 3 to 6 months to helping you onboard seamlessly and also take into account your suggestions so we can build this into the best possible product offering you've ever seen in finance and investing. So in fintech, our goal is to build this into something absolutely incredible, never seen before, and putting huge amounts of support and dedication to your voice and your analysis and your suggestions. So really appreciate it. Links going to be down below at moneyvest.com. You can sign up. Happy investing, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.